it's Rue. In this video, we're gonna make the Dry Martini. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Dry gin, I have here Bombay Sapphire. Dry vermouth, I have here Dolin. Orange bitters, this is optional. And a lemon, 4 items. It's still time, let's go grab it. Ice and a glass mixer, martini glass, a strainer, a jigger, a knife, and a bar spoon. First step, what we're going to do is chill our glass. There's 2 ways to do this. You can put this glass in your freezer, or I'm going to do it this way. Add ice and water, set it aside. Next, what we're going to do is peel our lemon. Set the lemon peel aside, grab your ice, and add a little bit of water. So what we're going to do here is we're going to stir this ice just because I want to make sure the tools we're using is chilled. Next, strain the water out. Now we should have a nice chilled glass here to make our drink. I like to add a dash or 2 of orange bitters into my martini. This is optional. Next is a dry vermouth. We'll be pouring ½ ounce of dry vermouth into the glass. The last ingredient going into this drink is the dry gin. We will be pouring 2 ounces of dry gin into the glass. Now what we're going to do is take our bar spoon and stir the drink. Grab your martini glass and empty the contents in it. What we're going to do is use our strainer and pour the drink. The last step is the lemon peel. You squeeze the zest into the glass. I'm going to use my bar spoon to twist the lemon. And from here, what we're going to do is drop this in side for garnish. And there you go, my friends, the dry martini. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.